Hey gang, welcome back. Gonna do this really quick. Open up two 2019 Bowman Platinum blasters. I'm gonna do it real quick because I gotta get back to work. But of course, when new cards come in, I have to pause and open them. I know I dropped the ball completely on this Bowman Platinum. It took me forever to get the main box. It took me forever and ever to get these. So sorry about that, but as I've said, I've been crazy busy. But no excuses. I've got to stay on top of my cards. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be looking for here. Look for new on-card autograph content. Looks like a lot of parallels again. I see pattern 1 and 4. I think that's something that's exclusive to retail. And then all the other colors that were mentioned in the hobby box, diffractors, and more and more and more and more and more. 7 packs plus 1 bonus. Bonus pack, it contains 4 exclusive parallels. Alright, so we'll see what those are. So if we're really lucky, we'll get an autograph, but there's no guarantees. The only thing guaranteed is the exclusive parallels. And there they are. And a nice blue pack. Alright, let's do these first. You know, my main big box wasn't all that grand, so maybe we'll score something good out of these blasters. Cartaya, Rizzo, Goldschmidt, Chapman. Josh Bro, I guess. Acuna, Platinum Presents. Mr. Otani and Trey Mancini. I still haven't checked for short prints in the main box though. I'll have to go back and do that. Verling, Meadows, JD Martinez, and Berrios. Sean Murphy, renowned rookies, Tuki Toussaint, which I got in the main box, Andujar and Corey Seager. Mauricio Molina, Yelich, and Rowdy Tellez. I need an Alonso out of this. That would be nice. Canning, Matthew Liberatore, Prismatic Prodigies, Kyle Tucker rookie, and Walker Buehler. Last regular pack. I'm going to check out the special parallels. Hicklin, Reese Hoskins, Mookie Betts, and Charlie Blackmon. So really, definitely not a lot going on there. Alright, let's see what these look like. Okay, so these look like the ice parallels. Baez, Derek Rodriguez, Carlos Cortez, and Liam Jenkins. These look pretty sweet. So that's those 4. Ooh, maybe this one will be a little bit more exciting. That blaster was rather dull. And I can't get into this one. Hang on. Ugh. Platinum's been a thorn in my side all around, from trying to get the product to trying to open the product. Work with me, stupid. Okay. Okay, here we go. Liam Jenkins. Ooh, nice. There's a Albies blue to 150. So got something there anyway. Rosario and Buster Posey. Noose, Platinum Presents, Joey Bart, Clayton Kershaw, and Harrison Bader. There's Vlad Jr., Verlander, Taylor Ward rookie, and Kikuchi. So 2 rookies in that pack. Nolan Gorman, renowned rookies, Williams, Astudillo, Williams, Astudillo. There he is again, Williams, and Scooter. Did I ever I think I did tell y'all that my dog's nickname, his real name's Sebastian, but I call him Scooter as a nickname. So every time I see Scooter on the card, I think of the dog. There's, okay, why does this Vlad Jr. say rookie, but the other one didn't? Hang on. Let's back this up just a second here. Huh. Wonder if one of these is a short print. Very, very interesting. This has a complete different background too, if you'll notice that. Huh, alright, well, I'll be looking into that. Kevin Newman and Urias, if anybody knows, comment below and let me know. Owen White, Prismatic Prodigies, Travis Swaggerty, Syndergaard, Trevor Story, last regular pack. Blaze, Glaber, Correa, and Gurriel Jr. Alright, our special pack. And then we will call this a wrap. Jose Abreu, Giancarlo, Joey Bart, that's very nice. And Knizer, maybe the K silent, I don't know. Huh. So I didn't get the Alonso that I wanted, but I think this is pretty interesting. And I did get the one purple parallel, so, and the Joey Bart parallel is not bad at all, so not too terrible. But yeah, that's it for me and Platinum. We're breaking up as of today, and we're not getting back together until next year. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Everybody take care of yourself. I love you guys and gals. Take care, and I'll be back soon.